So this is the continuation of fifth problem. We have calculated the values for F3, F2, 3 in the previous class. Your angle of F23 is 28 degree right direction. Now we need to consider the second link. Draw the second link with actual scale. Then you can show F32 is equal to F23 is equal to 540 Newton towards left. Next, according to the member or the static equilibrium, or a member of two force and one torque, equal and opposite forces. Two forces are equal and opposite and parallel. Draw one more force F12, which is parallel to F32 at a point A, and it is opposite. Now we can find out the value of F12. It is equal to F32, 540, but it is towards right. Next, we need to find out the torque or the couple formed by these two forces. This is the couple formed by these two forces, F32 and F12, is equal to the perpendicular distance, force into perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance, we need to extend F32, okay, and draw a perpendicular line to both the forces. That is H5. So we can substitute H5 here. F12 into H5. What is the answer for F12? 540. Correct? 540. Into. What is the value of H? Can anyone answer? H value? Please. Hello? Nitin? Hello, Nitin.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me the answer for H5?
So 2.7.
2.7 into scale. What is the scale? 10 by 1. Can anyone tell me the answer for the final answer for 2.7? Mr. Ajit Pujari. Ajit Pujari is there in the class? Charan Shetty. Charan Shetty is there?
Yes, sir.
Why do you miss the class, man? Mr. Charan Shetty? You see your attendance? Check your attendance. Yesterday also you are not there in the class.
COVID test, sir.
COVID test for how many days? Every day you are going for the test?
Network issue, sir.
Network issue. Hello.
Yes, sir.
How do you present for students? Huh?
Now I am here in my father's house, sir. So yesterday I was in my
What other was?
Like I shifted, sir.
You have 50% attendance. Check your attendance. Huh? All the subject you are like you're doing. Huh? You are
Starting fees problem, sir.
yes.
Fees problem. They have not sent me a link.
Fees problem.
Yeah.
But fees problem it is by 5th of December. After 5th, you are absent for 3 classes. Can you see that attendance? On 9th, 12th, and 15th. Now tell me the answer for this C, Mr. Charan. I think you are not sitting in a place. You are somewhere away.
No, sir. Fan.
You tell me the answer. See, you have many reasons to miss the class. Tell me the answer.
1414580.
Total answer. Correct now?
Yes, sir.
14.58 Newton meter. Therefore, torque T is equal to C is equal to 14.58. This is clockwise, sorry, counterclockwise. Newton meter. This is clockwise. Charan Shetty, you need to solve all 5 problems from this module. Upload your notes by today. Otherwise, I won't send you a link tomorrow onwards because no need to attend the class. It is not necessary to you, no. You need to, if you have confidence to write the exam without attending the class by reading the textbook, you can do it, no problem. Not only Charan Shetty, for all those who are missing class, I'm watching around 6 to 7 members are continuously missing the class, attending one class, next class absent, attending another class, missing another class. So doing like this, only few members, 5 to 6 members doing the same thing. I'll call some other people also, okay, while doing the class. I have list. Okay, next problem number 6. Write down. Find the torque required to required to input link for a static equilibrium of a given mechanism as shown in the figure. As shown in the figure. Okay, Friday, I am going to conduct an assignment 3. Okay, the questions will be asked on vibration, fourth module, free vibration and damped free vibration. Okay, free vibration and damped free vibration derivations will be asked. A few problems will be asked. You just concentrate on a previous question paper. Okay, I have already uploaded. If it is not uploaded, I'll upload it to Google Classroom classwork. Okay, materials, it will be available. Question paper. I'll ask 2-3 problems on that question paper. You just get ready for those. Okay. Friday, third hour. Friday, third hour will be the assignment. You need to get ready for those questions. You have to write it in your assignment book without copying from the notebook. Okay. So you should switch on your videos. It is same as the internal, writing internal. Okay. Okay. Please copy this figure. Okay, the dimensions are given here. Please continue the problem. AB is equal to 150 mm. BC is equal to AD is equal to 500 mm. DC is equal to 300 mm. CE is equal to 100, comma EF is equal to 450 mm. And one more distance is given in the problem, okay? Problem itself. Just mention this distance, please. This distance is given, height is given, that is 200 millimeter. First, you draw the figure with actual scale. Then you can go for the free body diagram. Okay. Draw with actual scale. First, you need to have a what you need to draw the horizontal line. Then AB distance. AB distance is given. You can take 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter scale. Yeah. 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. No, it is not like that. 100 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. Yeah. 100 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. 75-degree, mark the point B. Then take AD length on the horizontal line. We'll have a AD length, right? AD length is 500, 5 centimeter. Then CD we have, DC is 300. Cut it. BC we have 500. Cut the length. We'll get a point C here. Extend this DC. We have a C value 100. We'll get point E. Then 200 millimeter above, just draw one horizontal line. Okay. And you know the length of EF. EF, cut this line. We'll get a point here. In that point, we have to draw the piston. Correct? Okay. So the next is step one. Step one, drawing scale 100 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. Can you draw the figure? Can you draw the figure, or shall I do it? I hope you will do it. We'll go to the next step. Step 2. Free body diagram. Free body diagram. Okay. So in the previous figure, you need to give a link, numbers to the link, but I'm giving the link numbers to the link in the first figure itself. So all fixed link is considered as single link number 1, 1, 1, 1. 2 crank, 3 connecting rod, 4. 4 is a link C to D, okay? A single link, C to D. You cannot mark CE as separate link, okay? Please remember it is a single link. DE is a single link. Please remember it is a fourth link. Link number 4. This is very, very important for the star mark. Next, 4. After that, link number 5. This is link number 6. Which one? Piston. Piston is a link number 6. How many links are there? 6 links. So, free body diagram. Let us draw the first link is a crank, link number 2, at an angle of, you can do the second step 1 at home. Leave 1 page for this, 1.5 page is left to you. 75-degree What is the length? What is the length? AB. AB is 150 means 1.5. A, B. Okay. Now, check the link number 3. Is there any internal force or intermediate force acting on link number 3? No intermediate force. So that's why you can draw the force acting at point B. B is a common point. The force acting on point B on link number 2 will be like this along the direction of link 3. This is F32. Link number 3 on link number 2. It is along the direction of third link because there is no intermediate force. So I am going to show it here at this point or that point. At this point, we have a force. At what angle? You measure this angle first. This is, we'll take it as theta. Measure the theta and draw the line like this. This is what I don't think it is very large angle. It is F3. This is link number 2, right? 3, 2. Due to link number 3 on link number 2. And I have one more force. This is torque, okay? T. I have one more force. I don't know the direction of this force. That is F12. I know the direction of F32, but I don't know the direction of F12. This is the free body diagram of link number 2. Any doubt? ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಥೀಟಾ ಥೀಟಾ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ಥೀಟಾ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದು ಸ್ಕೆಚ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿ otherwise it will be difficult to draw the finish the problem. Shall we start? Okay, first you draw the reference line. Okay, next is take 75, mark the point somewhere here, take 75 degree, cut the length to 1.5 because the length is 150, right? 1.5. This is point A. This is 75 degree. This is point B. Okay. Next. AD length. AD length is 5 centimeter. Cut the length. This is D. You know the length of DC. Cut the length. DC. DC is also 300. And DC length 500. So cut the length. This is C. Join DC. Okay. And DC. Next, extends DC because it is a single link, okay, same link, 1 centimeter, be somewhere here, E. Next, 200 millimeter. 200 means 2 centimeter. You know the length of EF. EF is 450. Cut the length somewhere here. This point is F. And join EF. Okay. EF piston. Right. The next is the force acting at point F is F is equal to 250. So the distance is 200. Next, give the links, numbers to the links 1, 1, 1. This is 2, 3, 4. Fourth link is D to E. Please make a note. Note D to E is single link. That is link number 4. 5, 6. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 7 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಸಿಇ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಲಿಂಕ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. Copied. Now we can find out the value of theta. What is the value of theta? Can anyone measure? And you can measure this angle also, phi. And you can measure this angle also, alpha. Please, can you tell me the answer for theta, alpha, and phi? It will be useful for the next figures. Okay. Hello, finished? Am I audible or not? Can anyone answer, please? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Finished? Can you tell me the answer for theta, alpha and pi? ನೋಡಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ಗೆ ಕಾಪಿ ಹೊಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಲ್ಲ, ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡೋದು. Can anyone tell me the answer for phi, theta and alpha? Please, I'm waiting. Or shall I call your name? Okay, Saiban.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me the answer for theta?
Sir, I got 32 degree.
32 degree.
Yes, sir.
So I'm calling you, man, from last 5 minutes, but you are not answering. If you know the answer, you could tell, no?
Not sure, sir. That's why I didn't answer.
Whatever it may be. I'll ask someone else. Okay. What about pi, Saiban?
Didn't do it, sir. Doing, sir.
Still doing. What you're doing, man? Huh? It is just cutting the point, that's all. $32 degree. Saiban is getting 32 degree. You check your answer. Next, you come to the link number 3. Free body diagram of link number 3. At an angle of 32. As per the Saiban's answer, theta is equal to 32. Link number 3. What is the length of link 3? That is BC 5 centimeter. See, F32 is in this direction. Opposite force will be F23. This is F23, opposite to F32. Next, if you come back to the point C, this is point C. At this point, opposite force will be acting. What opposite force means? This is the force, opposite force, along the direction of 3. So this is what F43. Because there is no other force, intermediate force acting on this link number CD. Now you come to the link number 4. You need to have an angle phi. Point D, point E. And point C is somewhere here. we have a force on point C. Look at this. This is point C. We have one force in this direction, and the opposite force will be the other direction. So this will be the opposite force. F 4 3. This is 3 4. Opposite force. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕಿದು. ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 32 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಸೊ 32 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಹೇಗೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 32 ತಗೊಂಡು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. So this is F34. Next, at point E, what is the force acting? Point D, it is zigzag because it is connected to the first link, zigzag. This is F14, link number 1 on link number 4. At point E, you see the link alpha, you measure the angle alpha. So the force acting, because see the link number 5, is there any intermediate force on this link number 5? No, there is no intermediate force. That's why the force acting on point 4, link number 4 will be along the direction of link number 5. So link number 5 direction, alpha angle. Check the alpha angle. This is F54. Alpha angle, check the alpha angle, take that angle here. This is alpha. Next, link number 5. Link number 5, take alpha, point is here. Alpha angle. This is alpha. The length is EF length, it's 300, right? Oh, 450. EF. See, there is no intermediate force. The one force is opposite to the previous force. The previous force is, because point E is a common point on link number 4 and 5, E. So one force is F54. The same amount of force will be acting along the same direction, or along the direction of fifth link. This is link number 5, F45. F54 is like this, F45 is like this. So another force here by the link number 6 piston. This is the force, that is F65. 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 Last one is a piston. I'll draw it here, okay? Piston, point F, and we have a force. This is the force F250, and there is a reaction force. It is upward, F16. And we have one more force, that is F65, opposite force, F65 opposite to F65, that is at an angle of alpha, right? Okay, so So this is the direction. You just measure this angle, okay? This should be alpha. Which one? The alpha. Okay, this is F56. Finished? It is a very simple problem. And it is asked in the previous question paper. You can see the question paper. It is asked 2-3 times. Because there is no intermediate force on the links, any links. So that's why it is easy to solve. Okay, the same as the very first problem what we have solved. But the numbers, the link numbers are 6. Hello, finished? Hey, ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಒಬ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ರು ಮರ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನೋ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? ಡೆಡ್ ಬಾಡಿ ತರ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗ ಮಾರ? ಮಾತಾಡುದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Attar Hussain?
Yes, sir.
Finished?
Yes, sir.
ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುದಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಇವಾಗ ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್.
Huh?
Just finished.
Just finished what? Figure, this figure.
Yes. Next one, sir.
Next one also finished. What about drawing? Drawing is finished? Step 1?
Yes, sir. Finished.
Okay, what about the alpha, angle alpha?
Sir, 25.
25. Alpha 25, Attar?
Yes, sir.
Exactly 25. Alpha, ಯಾವ್ದು alpha ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮಾರೆ ಅವ.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 25. Sir.
Pi, angle pi.
Sir. 90.
90? Exactly 90? ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಸೈಬನ್?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer? Phi and alpha?
Phi 89 degree I got, sir. Slight difference.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಹೇಳಿ.
89, 5.
89?
Alpha, yeah.
89 degree.
88. 88.
88, sir. 88.
88, okay, no problem. 88. It is nearly equal to 90. Whatever it may be, you write it as 88, okay? Okay. So, pre-body diagram, is there any doubt in the pre-body diagram? Start from second link. Okay. Second link, B is a common point on second link as well as third link. So, force acting on point B by the link number 3 will be in the direction of link number 3. Why? Because there is no intermediate force on link number 3. You check whether the intermediate force acting on link number 3 or not. If any intermediate force acting on link number 3, then it would be zigzag. If there is no intermediate force, then it will be along the direction of link number 3. This is very, very important. If you do this correctly, then all other links will be easy. Correct? Once you get the link, the force F32, okay? F32 is along the direction of link number 3. After that, you come to the link number 3. Link number 3, one force is opposite to F32, that is F23. F23 opposite, and F43, because it is a two force member. What is the condition for equilibrium of a two force member? If one force is acting like this is F23, and the other force will be always equal and opposite. Correct? That is F43. Equal and opposite, exactly opposite. Link number 3 is OR. Link number 4, you come to the link number 4. See, link number 4, we have 3 different points. One is C, one is E, another one is D. D, it is connected to the link number 1. So I don't know the direction of F14. You forget it, you just show it as a zigzag. But point C is there, no? That point C is a common point on link number 4 and link number 3. Please listen to me, it is very, very important step. Link number 3 and 4. While showing the force at a common point is very, very important. Link number 4 and 3. So I have shown the force and link number 3, that is at point C, it is F43. Same amount of force will be acting on link number 4 also, that is on the same direction, F34. F43 opposite force, F34, that is C. And you come to the point E. Point E, E is a common point on, see, look at this. E is a common point. This is a common point on link number 4 as well as 5. Common point bantaga, you need to check whether any force is acting on link number 5 or not. Intermediate force. Intermediate force ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ that force will be acting along the fifth link. ಯಾವುದು ಈ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ F54 is no, due to the fifth link on 4 along the direction of link number 5. Link number 5 ಯಾವ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ? 25 ಆಂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. So 25 ಆಂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸಿ. That is a third force on link number 4. You come to the link number 5. Link number 5 illide. So one force at point E, another force at point F. Correct alla? E already torsidivi, F54. Opposite force F45. Point F alli, it is connected to the link number 6, piston. So idu one force, a member with a two force member with a two force, right? One is like this, F45. Another force will be opposite, deadly opposite, right? That is F65. Correct alla? Any doubt? Very simple. Next, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ. ಒಂದು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲದು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಲ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ ಪಿಸ್ಟನ್. ಪಿಸ್ಟನ್ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಒನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 250. Another force is reaction force coming from the bottom, that is F16, because it is connected to the link number 1 piston, right? F16. If you have two force, one more force is that because this F is a common point on link number 5 and 6. Link number 5, 6, force 5, 6 is equal to 65. 65 illida. Yav direction? This direction, alpha direction. So take alpha here, alpha angle, and extend it to the other side. So that is towards piston. That's all. Okay. So we'll continue in the next class. You try to do this problem, okay? While coming to the next class, I'll ask the answer. Okay. So how to start the problem? Illi unknown. Link number 2. Link number 3 allo unknown. Link number 4 allo unknown. All three forces are unknown. You cannot draw. Link number 5 allo unknown. Because two forces, but both are unknown. Link number 6 bani. 6 alli point of concurrency. It is a 3 force member, but point of concurrency is already there. F is a point of concurrency. Then what to do next? Second condition, what is the static equilibrium? Second condition of 3 force member? Summation of all the forces must be equal to 0. Means force polygon must be closed. You can draw the force polygon. Next step, step 3. Finding unknowns. So force polygon. Consider which link? Markoli madbek neeme. And just ಬರ್ದಿರ್ತೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Consider link number 6. Draw force polygon. Point of concurrency is already there. Polygon. Force polygon draw ಮಾಡಿ, ಅವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾ? F16 ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾ? F56 ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾ? If you know the value of f56, it is equal to x65. If you know the value of f65, you can find out the answer for f45. 45 is equal to 65. If you know the value of 45, this is 54. We'll get the answer for 55. Next, you can draw the force poly for this one. First, you find out the point of concurrency. Then you can find out the value of remaining answer by force polygon for the fourth link. If you know the value of F34, you can find out the value of F43, F23, F32, F12 torque. Can you do it? Okay, thank you. Just a minute, I'll take attendance once. Some people have joined late. We'll see who is that. While coming to the next class, you need to finish this problem. Maybe wrong. Don't worry. Do it your own. Don't copy from others. I need an answer. ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಅಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಪುನಃ. ಯಾರು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಲೀವ್.